Mark Cuban's secret: add value, solve problems. Bright visuals accompanied by an energizing soundtrack set the stage for an engaging exploration of business wisdom. The opening scene captivates viewers, drawing them into a journey of discovery. The vibrant imagery and upbeat music create an inviting atmosphere, promising valuable insights and inspiring stories from one of the business world's titans. Curious about the secret behind Mark Cuban's billion-dollar success? This video uncovers how Cuban's focus on adding value has propelled him to the top of multiple industries. Stay tuned as we delve into the strategies and mindset that have made him a standout entrepreneur and investor. Welcome to iSkillmind, where we delve into the minds of successful individuals to uncover their secrets. Today, we focus on Mark Cuban, a billionaire known for his innovative approach to business. Join us as we explore his value-driven mindset and learn how it can transform your business journey. Mark Cuban is a self-made billionaire, investor, and owner of the Dallas Mavericks. He gained fame through his appearances on Shark Tank and his various successful business ventures. Cuban's journey from humble beginnings to immense success is a testament to his relentless drive and innovative thinking. Focusing on Mark Cuban is essential because of his remarkable achievements across diverse fields. From broadcasting to sports and technology, Cuban has consistently demonstrated a unique ability to add value. His success story provides invaluable lessons for anyone looking to excel in business and beyond. Adding value in business means enhancing a product or service to make it more beneficial for customers. This concept is central to creating a competitive advantage. By focusing on what customers truly need and desire, businesses can develop solutions that stand out, ultimately leading to greater success and customer loyalty. Mark Cuban's philosophy revolves around solving problems and meeting needs. He believes that businesses should focus on addressing pain points and offering real solutions. This approach not only helps in creating a loyal customer base, but also fosters innovation and continuous improvement within the company. Broadcast.com is a prime example of Cuban's value-driven approach. By realizing the potential of internet radio, Cuban transformed the way people consumed media. His foresight and ability to solve a prevalent issue in media consumption led to the platform's immense success and its eventual acquisition by Yahoo. Broadcast.com added value by making live streaming accessible and convenient. It offered users an innovative way to listen to live events and broadcasts online, a novel concept at the time. This unique value proposition attracted millions of users and positioned Broadcast.com as a pioneer in the digital media landscape. But that's not all. Cuban's approach to adding value extends beyond media and into the realm of sports. His acquisition of the Dallas Mavericks is a testament to his commitment to transforming organizations. By focusing on enhancing the team's performance and fan experience, Cuban turned the Mavericks into one of the most successful franchises in the NBA. Mark Cuban's ownership of the Dallas Mavericks showcases his talent for adding value. When he bought the team, they were struggling both on and off the court. Through innovative management and a commitment to excellence, Cuban transformed the Mavericks into a championship-winning team, significantly increasing their market value and fan base. Cuban's approach to adding value in sports is multifaceted. He invested in top-notch facilities, leveraged cutting-edge technology, and prioritized fan engagement. His focus on creating a winning culture and enhancing the overall fan experience set new standards in the industry, proving his value-driven mindset extends beyond traditional business settings. In the tech world, Cuban's ventures are equally impressive. He has a keen eye for innovative startups that solve real-world problems. Cyberdust, a secure messaging app, exemplifies this approach. By addressing privacy concerns, Cyberdust offered users a solution that was both timely and valuable, distinguishing itself in a crowded market. The value Cyberdust provides is rooted in its unique features. Unlike other messaging apps, it allows messages to disappear, ensuring greater privacy. This focus on user security demonstrated Cuban's knack for identifying and investing in technology that meets specific needs, thereby adding significant value to its users. Cuban's ventures show that adding value isn't limited to the product itself. His emphasis on customer satisfaction sets him apart. By constantly seeking feedback, and making improvements based on customer needs, Cuban ensures his businesses remain relevant and valuable. This customer-centric approach is a cornerstone of his continued success. It's not just about the business itself, but also about the value you bring to others. Mark Cuban emphasizes that creating a lasting impact means thinking beyond profits. His philosophy encourages entrepreneurs to focus on solving real problems and making meaningful contributions to their customers' lives. Cuban's emphasis on customer satisfaction is evident in all his ventures. He believes that understanding and meeting customer needs is crucial for long-term success. By prioritizing the customer experience, businesses can build trust and loyalty, which are essential for sustaining growth and staying competitive in any industry. Businesses can add value by innovating, improving services, and genuinely caring about their customers. Simple acts like listening to feedback and continuously refining products can make a significant difference. This approach not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also fosters a culture of continuous improvement within the organization. Encouraging a value-first approach requires a mindset shift. Entrepreneurs should focus on how they can serve their audience better, rather than just maximizing profits. This involves identifying pain points, offering unique solutions, and always striving to exceed customer expectations, which ultimately leads to sustainable success and a loyal customer base. Mark Cuban advises aspiring entrepreneurs not to start a company unless it's an obsession. This passion drives relentless commitment and resilience, enabling them to overcome obstacles and persist through challenges. By being deeply invested in their mission, entrepreneurs can maintain the energy and focus needed to create and deliver exceptional value. Mark Cuban advises aspiring entrepreneurs to focus on identifying and adding value. He believes that understanding your market's needs and continuously seeking ways to meet them is crucial. Start by researching your industry, listening to customer feedback, and refining your products or services to ensure they offer unique benefits. Cuban's investments on Shark Tank often reflect his value-first philosophy. He looks for businesses that solve real problems and have a clear value proposition. By prioritizing innovative solutions and strong customer focus, Cuban ensures that his investments have the potential for long-term success and substantial market impact. Reflecting on his early career, Cuban emphasizes the importance of perseverance and learning from failures. He faced multiple setbacks before achieving success, using each failure as a learning opportunity. This resilient mindset helped him refine his approach, ultimately leading to his breakthrough with Broadcast.com and other ventures. Cuban's perspective on failure is integral to his success. He views it as a stepping stone rather than a setback, encouraging entrepreneurs to embrace mistakes and learn from them. This approach fosters continuous improvement and innovation, essential for staying competitive and adding value in a rapidly evolving market. Innovation is at the core of adding value, according to Cuban. He believes that staying ahead of industry trends and continuously seeking new ways to improve products or services is vital. This commitment to innovation not only differentiates businesses, but also ensures they remain relevant and valuable to their customers. Mark Cuban believes innovation is crucial for adding value. He consistently seeks out new technologies and methods to improve his ventures. By fostering a culture of creativity and encouraging experimentation, Cuban ensures his businesses remain competitive and relevant in rapidly changing markets. Innovation drives growth and sets companies apart from their competitors. Cuban's relentless pursuit of excellence is evident in his work ethic. He is known for his hands-on approach, dedicating countless hours to perfecting his ventures. This relentless drive ensures that every aspect of his businesses meets high standards, ultimately adding tremendous value for customers and stakeholders alike. Building a value-driven company culture is a priority for Cuban. He emphasizes the importance of teamwork, integrity, and customer focus. By instilling these values in his employees, Cuban creates an environment where everyone is motivated to contribute their best, leading to sustained success and a loyal customer base. Listening to customer feedback is vital for Cuban. He understands that customers are the best source of insights for improving products and services. By actively seeking and addressing feedback, Cuban ensures his businesses continuously evolve to meet customer needs, thereby enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Cuban's ability to adapt to change keeps him ahead in dynamic markets. He stays informed about industry trends and is quick to pivot strategies when necessary. This adaptability allows his businesses to thrive even in uncertain times, ensuring they remain relevant and continue to deliver value. In today's tech-driven world, adding value requires businesses to leverage digital tools and platforms to enhance customer experiences. Mark Cuban exemplifies this by investing in technologies that streamline operations and offer innovative solutions. Staying ahead means adopting cutting-edge technology to meet evolving customer needs and outpace competitors. Cuban's commitment to continuous learning is a key factor in his success. He is an avid reader, constantly expanding his knowledge to stay ahead in various industries. This dedication to self-improvement enables him to identify emerging trends and opportunities, thereby adding value to his ventures and investments. Books recommended by Cuban provide valuable insights into business strategies, market trends, and personal development. These resources help entrepreneurs and professionals alike to think critically and innovate effectively. By following his reading habits, individuals can gain the knowledge needed to add substantial value to their own careers and businesses. Value addition is not limited to business. It extends to personal growth as well. Cuban emphasizes the importance of self-improvement and lifelong learning. By continuously developing new skills and expanding one's knowledge base, individuals can enhance their personal and professional lives, contributing more effectively to their organizations. The key takeaway from Mark Cuban's value-driven mindset is the importance of relentless pursuit of excellence and innovation. By focusing on adding value in every aspect of life, whether in business or personal development, individuals and organizations can achieve sustained success and remain competitive in an ever-changing market. Mark Cuban's quote, "Work like there is someone working 24 hours a day to take it all away from you," serves as a powerful reminder of the relentless drive required for success. This mindset fosters a relentless pursuit of excellence, pushing individuals to consistently strive for their best and stay ahead of the competition. Incorporating Cuban's value-focused mindset can transform both personal and professional lives. Emphasizing value in every action, decision, and strategy leads to sustainable success and growth. By adopting Cuban's principles, individuals and businesses can create meaningful impacts, solve real problems, and achieve their goals more effectively. We encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to iSkillmind for more insightful content. By staying connected, you will receive the latest tips, strategies, and success stories from industry leaders like Mark Cuban. Join our community of learners dedicated to continuous improvement and value addition. As we wrap up, take a moment to reflect on how you can integrate these lessons into your journey. Applying a value-driven approach can unlock new opportunities and drive significant growth. Whether in business or personal development, the emphasis on value is a game changer. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and practical advice from iSkillmind. Don't forget to check out our related videos for additional learning and inspiration. Subscribe now to ensure you never miss out on our latest content designed to help you thrive in today's competitive world. Stay tuned for more inspiring content that dives into the strategies of successful entrepreneurs. Don't miss out on future episodes where we uncover secrets to success, actionable business tips, and motivational stories. Subscribe now and join our community dedicated to unlocking your full potential and driving your success forward. If you found these tips helpful, like this video, share your idea, and subscribe to iSkillmind for more great content. Your support helps us create more valuable information to keep you motivated and informed. Join our community and stay updated with the latest tips and tricks for more active lifestyle.